In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me show you how to open user manual on the following device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and scroll down. Here tap on tips and user manual. And here you've got some basic info, so if you'd like to know how to be more productive while using your phone, just mark it. And here you've got tutorial, so here it is. And you can pick whatever you want to. And a bit lower you've got user manual. Click to open. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to open this site. And as you can see here, you've got all info. So you've got basic, apps and features, settings, and appendix. And for example, if you'd like to learn something about the screen, just tap on understanding the screen, mark it. And here you've got it. So this is how you can get some more info. If you'd like to make the font bigger here, just tap on this A letter, and here you can change the font size. Also you can change the line spacing. If you'll go back, as you can see, it's a bit bigger. And this is it. Obviously you can also check, for example, camera info by tapping on camera. And here it is. You've got all info, and then you can, for example, check single take mode, tap here, and here you've got info. Then if you would like to reach for example, portrait mode, just click here, and here you've got details. So this is it. This is how you can reach user manual in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.